And legs out towards your side. Can you go up with your arms? Yeah, there we go. Super good.
What is Elizabeth doing?
I just like something crazy like this, or we could do something like this. Yeah. Number one, because you got heels on, so sometimes I know that makes it more awkward. Bring the legs out towards me more, not wider, but just longer. You can still go a little bit wider than they are. This leg goes that way a little bit. Bring this foot out towards me. Good. Okay, let's do legs together for this one. Yep, one longer than the other. Good. Put your hands in your panties again, since that's kind of been what we've been doing. Yeah, yep, just like that. Stay down on your forearms and get up on your knees so you push your booty up to the ceiling. Sure. Yeah, good. So I want you up off your chest because I still want to be, yep, so extend your left arm out longer. Yes, there we go. Karen, you are in my shot. Scoot to the edge a little bit and you can kind of dip your, yeah, dip. But I say bring that foot up. So you kind of have to hold your, yes, there you go, relax your hands. I really get serious right now anyways, because I'm for the, okay, please this way, and I'm gonna shoot it from the side. Extend this upper leg out just a little bit. Yeah.
And bring that other one so the heel is like under your knee. There you go.
I want you to put your left foot on your right calf. Yep. And use that knee to kind of pop your tush and roll it away a little bit. Yep. Good. Relax your hands down. Bring that knee out this way and really push your booty up and away. Yes. Good. Good. Okay, pull that. And then, yep, chin back, close your eyes and breathe. A shot of that too.
Back to Liz's camera, if I can.
Open your mouth a little bit.
And then when you're done, I'll just do one with